If you want to set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our settings, of course. Now scroll down to your lock screen and AOD section, open it up. Now locate your screen lock and biometrics. Open it up as well, enter your current PIN or any kind of screen lock if you have it. So before you will set up your fingerprints, you'll need to have a screen lock. Keep that in mind. If you don't have one, get one. Now let's do our fingerprint. Press continue. So what do we have to do? We have to follow the simple on-screen instructions. Let's press register. Now we have to put our finger inside of the circle and lift it up when the circle is fully highlighted, and then press again. So don't worry, it may take some time. It takes some tries to do that, so take your time. Simply put your finger, lift it up, put it back again. Easy as that. Great, so we have added our fingerprint. If you want to add another one, press add another one, so for another finger or maybe our other person finger. If no, simply press done and you are done. Now if we're gonna try and unlock our phone with the fingerprint, as you see, we will be able to do this, and it's quite comfortable and useful. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.